Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can open the SIM tray and insert the SIM card to OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. To do this we will need to use the pin that is included in the box of this device. At the bottom of this device over here on the left side we will find the SIM tray, and on the left side of the SIM tray we'll find the hole, and we need to put the pin inside that hole. Once you put it inside, you need to use a little bit of force to take out the SIM tray a little bit, and once it goes out slightly you will need to use your fingers to take it out fully. Now this is how it looks like. Over here we have the SIM tray for 2 SIM cards, and you can also see the SIM slot that is written on the tray itself, on the slot itself. So now we need to match the SIM tray and put the SIM card on the slot. So you can see how it looks like. We have the preview how it should look like. There we go. We can see how it should be. And now we need to simply place the SIM card in the slot. It goes in really easily, and remember to put it inside face up, and you can see the front. It is actually written on the on this side, face to screen. So of course this means that this is how we should put it back in. So push it back in, and that's all you need to do. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.